Very
Woo!
good.
Well, Zoe, that came Mommy's way.
Alright, now do it again. Hit it hard. There you go.
Woo!
Hold the bat upright. Very good.
Good job. Okay, get placed over there right.
Here, you're not standing right. Now hit the far out of the ball.
Woo! Well, you hit that one to Mommy. Goodness, Zoe.
Alright, hit the far out of the ball. Very
Woo!
good.
Say, I'm the next Jenny Finch.
I'm the next Jenny Finch.
Alright, hit the ball hard.
Keep your eye on it. Woo! Goodness, Zoe.
Do it again.
Do it again. Woo! That came over to Mommy again. Okay, one more time. Get placed. Pay attention. Oh. Oh. Watch the ball. You're silly. You are silly.